I believe a lot many startups have joined us as a part of this outreach program. In the series of outreach programs, in today's outreach, again we would like to share our thoughts about IDEX and about the whole thing, how IDEX is contributing to Atmanirbharta Abhiyan. IDEX is a unique and remarkable initiative by the MOD, Government of India, to further the cause of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. It is helping in creation of an ecosystem of innovation and technology development in defense and aerospace industry. For the first time in the history of our independent India, there is the opportunity for Indian industry to the lowermost level, that is from startups to individual innovators, that they have a support and they have a route wherein they can straight away contribute towards uh, the capability building of the fighting arm of the Indian Defence Forces, Army, Air Force, Navy. And in that, as a Air Force rep, we are very happy that now each and every individual of the country who aspires to do something for the nation through equipping the Indian Air Force, it is possible now. So Indian Air Force is part of this IDEX framework, wherein we turn out to be the end users of whatever you develop and whatever challenge you take to deliver to the IAF out of the challenges which we have put across to you. Directorate of Aerospace Design, where I am currently posted, has been formed under the Plans branch. It is one of the operating branches in Indian Air Force Air Headquarters Vayu Bhavan in Delhi, which looks after equipping the Air Force with all the equipment which it has to. And this directorate where I'm posted, that is Directorate of Aerospace Design, is also the nodal agency for all these niche technology related projects, and IDEX is one of such initiatives which we look after. I will share my contact details and the directorate contact details in the chat box subsequently, so that anyone who has any query regarding the challenges which IAF has put forth, you can directly reach out to us, and we'll be happy to help you sort out any clarifications which you have, because defense has a very specific and very cut out requirement and cut out kind of a capability which we are looking forward to, which is oriented towards equipping us in our war fighting capability. So it is best that you straight away reach out and start delivering to what we want. And we also don't want to waste time, because technology is moving on at such a fast pace, wherein if we don't align to the user requirement, that is the Indian Air Force, that is, I am the face of IAF as of now in front of you, then we would be wasting that important time. And in this game of catching up with technology, we have seen that foreign countries have a quite robust setup, because they have started in this domain quite early compared to our country, the private industry I'm talking about. So we don't want them to have a lead, we want our industry to have a lead. That's why all this support, hand holding, and this open reach out towards the startups and innovators, which has been only been done till now to DPSUs, that is open to our innovators and startups also. So IAF and our directorate is fully aligned to this process of co-creation and co-development by providing support to the startups and innovators in the process of product development, whatever product we are telling you to develop. So we will be there with you in case you have any doubt regarding what kind of this product would be, how it will be utilized, what is the need of it. So to understand the user perspective and to deliver, so that there are no last minute surprises put across in front of you. Oh, this is not what we wanted. We can't turn around and say that. So we are there with you for the entire development process. We are there to sort out your doubts. We are there to help you sort out to give you any idea as to how we make this functionality, this part to deliver. So we can go more and more specific towards the requirements as and when we move forward in the process of development. With all this said, I must emphasize that as a user, we are product-oriented agency. That is, Indian Air Force is product-oriented agency. Whatever we are asking you to deliver, we are going to fight with it against our adversaries. So you must understand the gravity of the situation and accordingly take the challenge to deliver the product in a time-bound manner and as specified requirements as we are specifying the requirement, and take it in good spirit. So it is like a class 9th or 11th exam, not like a board exam, wherein the person who is going to evaluate you at the end of it is going to be there teaching you through the class and helping you with the syllabus. So it's something like that. So don't this IDEX framework is offering you a program which is even lesser than 10th and 12th board exam for a student. So with that, I would like to reinforce the confidence in you that we are there to help you, support you, and please come up with your innovations and capabilities to deliver to our requirements. As a part of DISC 5, we have given out 3 challenges. The details of those challenges are available. I will not go over them. There is a YouTube video also which DIO has put up, wherein our specific agency which is looking for those requirements have spoken at length about it. You can go through that, and after that, if there is any doubt, please feel free to contact my directorate, and we are there to support you, and we will be the constant face from IAF side as my directorate to help you out with any query. And if you have any further solutions, there is open challenge route also available. So presently the DISC 5 is the platform through which we are targeting all these startups, and we'll be happy to involve with you in any future correspondence with you, or being with you as a part of handholding and providing you support in terms of testing and providing testing site and giving out any kind of clarifications. Thank you so much, and we can move ahead with the reach out program.